Well, good evening and thanks for being with us tonight. I'm Rob Petrie. We begin here at 6 following the latest developments in last week's deadly tour bus crash on the thruway in Pembroke. News 4's Jeff Preval is hearing from a key official who was part of the emergency response. Jeff.
And tonight we're hearing from the director of Genesee County's Office of Emergency Management. He says in his 35-year career, the tour bus crash was one of the most stressful incidents that he's ever been involved with, and that information was changing minute by minute. Now, Tim Yeager says that communication and execution were both key on Friday afternoon when a tour bus with 54 people on board, including the driver, crashed on the 90 in Pembroke. 5 people died in that crash. Their names have been released. Yeager says there was heroic work from police, EMS agencies, fire departments, and other first responders in trying to save as many lives as possible and assessing the type of care that victims needed.
In public safety, we don't get a second chance. We can't make a mistake. We have to do it right the first time. And unfortunately, we lost a few people, which is extremely unfortunate. But there was also some heroic work that was done.
Yeager says that first responders are dealing with a language barrier because the tourists that were on the bus were Asian, Filipino, and Indian. He says in the next week or so, emergency officials will review the incident to try to learn from it in terms of best practices and look at what worked and areas for improvement. Tim Yeager and his members of his department say that this is a time to decompress to address the mental health of first responders. Yeager says that there will be a critical incident stress debriefing sessions tomorrow evening for first responders. Those sessions will be private. Jeff Preval, News 4.